Yo, what's going on, guys? This is your boy Jay, back at it again with the Crimson Camry. I'm right here with it. So I was deciding if I wanted to record this or not, but I'm gonna go ahead and make a quick little video about what I'm doing. So I did a little something. You can't tell. I changed the shark fin, the antenna, to black. So at first I was thinking like, oh, we could go right up to it and just pull on it, but that wasn't working. So I was like, yeah, I'm pretty sure I have to go underneath the car. So yeah, so the first thing you want to do is I would say pull down your seats right here. Okay, you're gonna pull down the seats. You're gonna take off these clips that you're gonna find right here, these clips right here. And then after that, you want to take off your handles. This is a bad video, but I'm doing my best for y'all. You gotta take off the handle. I got a little fat head screwdriver, a little small one, and push the little caps out like these. And then there's like plastic pins inside there that look similar to that servo piece you see right there. Okay, those servo pieces. So after you do that, on both sides, you want to go ahead and take out the rubber trim right here out the door. What's up, man? And then you want to pull this plastic piece that says the airbag on it down, and then you're gonna yank this down. Another thing I took off was the map lighting, as you can see. Pull that down and unhook it, and then the whole thing will come down. Now this is very tight, so I just legit stuck my hand under there, unscrewed it with a 10mm socket wrench, and unplugged it, because that is the antenna, so it's hooked up to your radio. And then right soon after you plug it, the whole thing comes off. Underneath, you gotta take the technology out of it, because this is the red one right here. This is not exactly what it looks like inside. It's like there's like technology inside, so you have to push out these tabs to get it. It took me about 7 minutes to get it. I'm not even gonna lie. So after I did that, I hooked everything back up. If you can look real closely at the bolt over there, it's back in. I just need to tighten it, and that was really it. I know this is a really bad video, but I figure I would give a quick three-minute video on how I did it real quick, and then if anybody have any questions about it, then we could go over that. So yeah, that's what I did. So I was being lazy. I didn't want to get it wrapped. I know wrappers have a hard time wrapping antennas, so I went ahead and did it myself. So yeah, so if you guys need help with this, just send me a message on Instagram. I'll be glad to help you out, explain it a little bit further. But this is all I got for you. All right, see you.